In this video, we're going to be learning about how to find a percentage change. There is a simple formula that I can use, which is the change divided by the original multiplied by 100 will give me the percentage change. To calculate the change, do the new value take away the old value and divide by the original, which is 50. Multiply this by 100 will give me the percentage change. 85 take away 50 is 35. Divided by 50 and times by 100 using a calculator gives me 70%. Now this has given me the percentage change, and as I can see, the number went from 50 to 85, so it was an increase by 70%. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. To work out the change in this case, 40 take away 65 divided by. To work out the percentage change in this case, do the new value, take away the old value, and divide it by the original, which is 65, and times by 100. This gives me 40 take away 65 is negative 25, divided by 65, times by 100, and using a calculator is negative 38.4615%. Rounding to one decimal place is negative 38.5%. Now because this answer is negative, I've decreased by 38.5%. So the percentage change is 38.5%.